Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you on another pomegranate juice based mocktail. Mocktail name is Pomo Bridge. Very simple mocktail you can try. Take a American glass and you have to pour 20 ml of pomegranate syrup. Then simply you have to pour 180 ml of of pomegranate juice. After that, simply you have to fill the glass with Sprite. Okay, that's it. It's a very simple mocktail you can try. Pomo Bridge mocktail. Combination of grenadine syrup, pomegranate juice, and Sprite. Very simple mocktail you can try. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Yes.